Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video you will learn 8 useful money phrasal verbs.
To save up. To save money, usually to buy something.
No spend Sundays help me save up for my new bike. She's been saving up for years and now she's finally going to buy her own house.
To save on. To avoid spending money or to save some money when buying something.
This supermarket app will help you save money on grocery shopping. Taking showers instead of baths might help you save on your bills.
To put aside. To save money for later use.
I lost my job back in September. Luckily, I had some money put aside so I didn't have to worry about paying my bills. My mom always told me to put money aside for a rainy day.
To splash out. To spend large amounts of money.
After winning the lottery, she splashed out on new cars and designer bags. Come on, it's your birthday. Buy those shoes. You deserve to splash out once in a while. Do you think that the exercises I include in my videos are not enough?
Good news!
I've just launched an Etsy shop where you can find grammar and vocabulary exercises. Check it out, link is in description. And now, back to the video.
To rip off. To cheat. To steal.
I was ripped off. I paid £4,000 for a car that's worth 500. Best deal ever. I think they want to rip you off. The bag is counterfeit, don't buy it.
To get by. To make just enough money to cover your basic expenses.
It's hard to get by being a single parent. I didn't have a lot of money when I was a student, but I got by.
To chip in. To give money when a group of people wants to buy something together.
We're going to buy a birthday present for Claire together. Want to chip in? We all chipped in £5 to buy a new plant for the office. It looks amazing now.
To pay back. To return money that you borrowed.
Can I borrow 50 quid? I'll pay you back next week. Never lend money to friends. I lent Anna some money a long time ago and she's been avoiding me ever since. And I don't think she'll ever pay it back. Let's do the exercise. Click here if you'd like to learn some useful money idioms. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!